I have one word, Ubuntu, and that's what we use in South Africa. I am because we are. When you go into a space where like-minded people have the same synergies, we speak the same language, we are from different walks of life, and when we come and have the same language that we speak, we're not competing, we are complementing each other. And I see the alumni as a big puzzle piece that has been put together with each individual bringing their expertise and their know-how and being able to network and learn from each other. Find what suits you best and apply, because the support in the background, the online courses, everything is being taken care of from the day you get accepted into a course. You are guided each step of the way. If there's any question you have, you are taken by the hand and guided into the right direction. You're not left alone. It's not just a typical course where you register, you've got online, and that's it. The live experiences are so fresh in my mind. What I loved about the entire process was it was so complex. I was standing there with my mouth open. I was in awe of how complicated lace making could be, and all the different needles and the process and what all the actual work is behind that. The experience you cannot put into words. It's the feeling that you have when you're on site, the feeling of the magnitude of this much bigger world than what we are living in. And that I would take with me for the rest of my life. It's like my favorite author said, it's not the words that I'll remember, but the feeling I had. And the experience on site was the feeling I got that was priceless.